Hey guys, good morning. It's a beautiful morning. This morning, I'm heading to the bank to go and renew my ATM card that got expired yesterday. And from there, I'll go and do my lash extension and also make my hair, which is just going to be cornrow hair. So that's basically what I'll be doing this morning. And I'll see you guys later in the day. Hey guys, I just got back home now. I'm so tired. I went to the bank around 9 a.m. and I came back around 4 p.m. You can see the stress and all that. And after that, I also jammed traffic on my way going back again. You can see how stressful my day was. So I just went straight to my hairstylist to just go and do my cornrows because I already promised her I was going to do my cornrows today and my eyelash extension. But I could not stay for the eyelash extension again. So I just told her I was going to come back the next day because your girl is so tired. You can even see that in my face currently and all that. So guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
The next day.
Hey guys, I'm back home from the salon. You can see how cute my eyelash extension is. So beautiful. And yesterday I went to make my hair. Guys, why I'm doing all this maintenance is because I'm traveling to Lagos tomorrow. And I've not even arranged my things I want to use yet. My whole room is so scattered right now. I'm ashamed of myself.
God have mercy upon us.
So I'll be doing my press-on nails also as well. Once I'm done with my arranging, I want to do my press-on nails. So that's basically what I will be doing. Let me just show you a quick look at my scattered room. I'm shy, but let's go. So guys, just look at my room. Look at my clothes on top of bed. Look at them. Look at my bag. I want to arrange things on. Look at loads on top of bed. Everything. My room is just scattered and everything. I just need to start arranging it so that I'll not forget anything tomorrow when I'm traveling.
The next day.
So guys, this is the room. This is how it's looking. This is the mirror stand. This is the mirror. These are my bags. And here is just how the room is looking. This is the bedside. This is the bedside. And here is the bathroom side. This is the fridge side.
The next day.